Welcome to our lesson on the Splunk SPL Sort Command. The Sort Command is one of the most essential tools for organizing and analyzing your data in Splunk. It allows you to arrange your search results in a meaningful order, making it easier to identify patterns, trends, and important information. Whether you need to find the highest values, the most recent events, or organize data alphabetically, the Sort Command provides the flexibility you need. The basic syntax is simple: pipe symbol sort followed by the field name you want to sort by. Let's explore the fundamental syntax of the sort command. By default, when you use pipe sort followed by a field name like timestamp, Splunk sorts the data in ascending order from lowest to highest values. If you want to be explicit about ascending order, you can add a plus sign before the field name. For descending order, where you want the highest values first, use a minus sign before the field name. This minus sign is particularly useful when you want to see the most recent events or the highest counts at the top of your results. The sort command becomes even more powerful when you need to sort by multiple fields. You can specify multiple fields separated by commas, and Splunk will sort by the first field, then by the second field for records that have the same value in the first field, and so on. You can mix ascending and descending orders for different fields. For example, you might sort by priority in descending order to see high priority items first, then by timestamp in ascending order to see the oldest high priority items first. This gives you precise control over how your data is organized. When working with large datasets, you often don't need to see all results, just the top or bottom records. The sort command allows you to specify a limit number at the beginning. For example, pipe sort 10-count will give you the top 10 records with the highest count values. This is extremely useful for performance optimization and focusing on the most relevant results. You can combine limits with multi-field sorting as well, giving you the top 20 results sorted by status and then by timestamp in descending order. Here are two common real-world scenarios where the sort command proves invaluable. First, when analyzing errors in your system, you can use pipe sort 10-error_count to quickly identify the top 10 most frequent errors. This helps you prioritize which issues to address first. Second, when you need to see the most recent events, pipe sort -_time will arrange your results with the newest events at the top. The _time field is Splunk's internal timestamp field, and sorting it in descending order gives you chronological organization from newest to oldest. To get the most out of the sort command, follow these important best practices. First, always use limits when working with large datasets to improve performance and reduce processing time. Sorting millions of records without a limit can be resource-intensive and slow. Second, apply your sort command after filtering your data with search terms or where clauses. This reduces the amount of data that needs to be sorted, making your searches faster and more efficient. By following these practices, you'll create more responsive searches and better utilize your Splunk resources. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.